So what are current theories of learning really about? Well, if you believe what some had to say about a recent research review carried out at the University of Durham, they can harm as well as help. And actually teacher talk and content knowledge, not teaching methods, make the greatest difference to teaching. Sky News led on the report in its Sky Debate, with the banner, "Are some educational practices harming education?" And helpfully, they misspelt the noun practice as part of the report. Actually, the research doesn't say that at all in the publication. It defines teacher talk to include questioning. And subject knowledge is defined as understanding how students learn in the discipline and how common misunderstandings arise. And all of that strongly supported by the literature, so we'll be returning to those ideas later in the unit. Another strain of reporting in recent media sees technology at long last definitively replace the teacher, at least in large-scale educational settings. The Economist's widely read report, The Future of Universities in 2014, being one of those to see open online courses as the only answer to rising costs and numbers. How would you begin to teach students to understand Shakespeare's Hamlet? This is a question about understanding yourself as a teacher. We reflected during the introductory module on the importance of understanding your own style and beliefs. If you don't know any of Shakespeare's works at the cinema or theatre, choose another work of literature that you know, but consider the same question. In Pamela L. Grossman's book, The Making of a Teacher, she asks exactly that question. You see here the different ways in which two new teachers went about introducing the play, in this case to upper secondary students. Both teachers had a very similar academic background. One, Jake, concentrates on word-by-word explanations of key quotations and terminology. Another, Stephen, asks his students to debate and reason, what you may term high-level dysfunction in family relationships, before they start to read. Before the next video, you may like to take 5 minutes or so to make a journal note of the differences in the approach of the two teachers. Use a note form list, or try a mind mapping approach as an alternative.